Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to control the media or music playback on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down and find the media playback icon. It looks like this, like the play button. Tap on this icon to enter the media playback devices menu, and here we can select two options, phone or watch. First, I'm gonna show you how to control the media playback on the watch. So I'm gonna tap on watch. This will open the music app on the watch, and here we can basically control the media playback on our watch. And we can tap on play to play the music. We can tap on pause to pause it. We can tap on next or previous to jump between the songs. We can tap on the headphones icon right here to change the audio output. We can, for example, select Bluetooth audio, something like headphones or speaker, or use the speaker on the watch. And then we can also control the volume by tapping on the speaker icon, and you can increase or decrease the volume of the playback. You can also swipe up on the screen to open the queue, and here you can see the queue for your media. As you can see, we have only one song on the watch, so we can't basically switch between next and previous song because we have only one file. Okay, so that's how you control the music on the watch. You can go back, and now I'm gonna open YouTube on my phone, and I'm gonna start playing something on it. And the watch should detect that we're playing the media on our phone. As you can see, it detected it. And now we can tap on phone right here, and here we can control the media playback. So for example, we can jump between the songs. So for example, if I want to go to the next song, I tap on next. If I want to go to previous one, I tap on previous button. If I want to adjust the volume, or rather, maybe not. Yes, let's adjust the volume. So if I want to adjust the volume, I tap on the speaker icon, and this should change the volume on the phone. Okay, now it's working. It was a bit bugged on the phone, so I had to change it on the phone, but after I changed it, it now works on the watch. So you can control the volume. And if you want to pause, you can tap on the pause button. If you want to play, you tap on play. You can also swipe up on the screen to open the queue, but for some reason YouTube app doesn't show the queue right here. Okay, and once you're done, you can also press the home button to go back to watch face. And once you're controlling or playing some media on your phone or on your watch, you will see this icon right here on the home screen, and you know that the media is being played. And you can tap on this icon if you manage to tap on it to open the media playback like this. Okay, and that's how you control the media or music playback on your watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.